Hey y'all, and welcome. So a new Stitch Fix arrived that I can't wait to share with y'all, seeing I've been having some pretty good luck with the previous boxes. But first, I thought that I would actually share what Stitch Fix is in case you haven't heard of it before. So Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service that you can sign up for a subscription, choosing to have your box delivered monthly, every other month, quarterly, or even skip the whole commitment of regular shipments and order a single Stitch Fix whenever you like, a la carte. Clothing is hand selected by stylists and then sent to you to try on at home, and you keep or buy the pieces that you like and send back the rest. Shipping is free, and if you keep all the items that are sent, they give you a 25% off the total amount. There is a $20 fix styling fee, which covers your stylist's expertise and time, but it does actually get credited towards anything that you keep, so you get it back in the end. All right, now let's check out my latest fix and see what I have received and how the items fit, and if I'm going to keep anything, or if it all goes, or if it all stays. All right. Always the handy dandy trusty return bag if needed, or trash bag if not needed. And actually I'll tell you guys, go over all the prices and stuff too, so that you can have a little bit of an idea of, you know, what they charge and stuff for things. This soft stuff again. Okay. That's a nice short sleeve top. I needed actually short sleeves. They always do pretty well knowing what I need. I like this color. This soft. Okay. And another top that's leopard print, and it is sleeveless, but it's a little heavier material, which is kind of nice, so it kind of balances it out from not having the sleeves. Oh. That's cool. So it's a sweater, like a hoodie with the what is a hoodie? The front pockets here, but it's very lightweight. What is this? Oh, it's another cardigan. I'm really almost getting too many cardigans at this point. But I don't have a gray one, and this is even softer than the ones before. So we'll see how this looks, because it's got pockets. A little different. There. Okay. And then the last item is a pair of jeans. Here. Skinny distressed jeans, and again, we'll see how they fit. Let's look at the note from our stylists that they sent. It's kind of nice reading it. Okay. Oh, and this is the prices, which we'll go over after I try everything on. And these are these little style cards I think I've showed you guys before, that kind of gives ideas of other things you compare it with. And Jenny, happy fix. I was pumped to see we had another successful fix together. I hope you are rocking the pieces like a boss. I think so. I'm having a blast styling you and absolutely love all the pieces I chose for you this time around. Okay, well good, I'm glad you do. I hope I do too. I hope you feel the same way. The can jeans are so cool and fun. The distressing at the ankles is amazing. Wear the jeans with the pink clover top and black wedge sneakers for an edgy look. I don't know if I have black wedge sneakers, but some that'll work, I guess. I have like super colorful ones. And okay, both the Fun to Fun blouse and the Unique and Awesome 4-1 Hawthorne top will be great with the Can jeans. The Market and Spruce cardigan will look fab over both the tops. Please let me know what you would like to see for your next fix. Shorts, dresses, skirts. Oh, I should use some skirts. And I want to make sure you have what you need to dress for the weather. XO Molly. Okay, let's go try all these on.
Been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while, the words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected, it's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. Go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up, just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Okay, so first, the items I really liked were the cardigan, the animal print leopard top, obviously, since I'm still wearing them, as well as the jeans and the lightweight hoodie. So the cardigan and the lightweight hoodie, just because they're just like so comfortable and soft, and I liked the pockets on them as well, so it was nice. And the twist top, because I like the way it fits and I like the extra little detail here of the twist and everything. And then the jeans also, I really liked the fit and the color also, and the ankle detail. I didn't have a lot of the colored jeans, so it was kind of cool. Now, the olive color blouse, I'm really not a fan of. I like the color and the pattern, but the it just felt a bit awkward on me, especially in the sleeves. So, but I am actually going to be keeping it as well because the way the pricing works. So let me explain. Okay, so the cardigan, hoodie, and the animal print top are each $44, and then the jeans are $58, and then the olive color blouse is $40.
So altogether it's $230. So now if I sent back the olive blouse, that's $40 deducted, then $20 for the styling fee credit, and the total would be $170 that I'd pay. So, however, if I keep everything, there's a 25% discount off of that $230, and then also the styling fee credit off makes the total $152.50. So it's either pay more, have less, or pay less, have more. And I don't know about you, but I'm for the less is more, at least in regards to this. And while I realize that many people may feel that the items seem overpriced and that similar looking pieces could be found at a lower cost, but honestly, that's needing to invest a fair amount of extra time to do so. Time that I value more than most likely would end up being saved. So, is Stitchfix worth it? In my opinion, yes. It's great for the membership options, and everything that I've gotten from Stitchfix always looks and feels of good quality, along with not having been worn down just only after a couple of washes, even the awkward fitting ones. And unlike some other clothes that I've had from other boxes and stores. So what do you think? Is Stitchfix worth it? Yes or no? And if not, is there a similar service that you've tried that you'd like to recommend? Let me know in the comments, and along with any other questions that you might have. Alright, well, thanks everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please select the thumbs up to like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel and would like to, then be sure to click the subscription button as well as the bell icon next to it so that you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Okay, I hope you all have an awesome day, and I will see you next time, or next video. Alright, bye.
I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high.